On this section, I've chosen one thing to focus on because of some confusion that people have about it. Remember that absolute value is the distance on a number line of that amount. So -3 is 3 places away from 0. Therefore, that distance is 3. That's the reason why the absolute value of -3 is 3. What that does mean is that the result of an absolute value always has to be a positive number because of distance. So what we're going to look at is what the result is of the inside here and see if it's positive or negative. So in that case, what we do here is we calculate the actual number, 3.1415, and we can keep going. We'll do the approximation of it. Comes to 16.86. And 16.86 is a positive number. Therefore, 16.86 is the result. All right, so now that would be the answer number. It can be rewritten as simply 20 minus pi, and that's actually what's being looked at. Rewrite it as the actual expression. Let's get that. That does result in 16.86. Now let's take a look at this second one. On this second one, 1 minus pi, we'll do the same thing, but now we have a problem. 1 minus 3.14. Inside that becomes negative 2.14, which the absolute value would make it a positive. But because it's a negative, without the absolute value, we wouldn't be able to use that. We need to rewrite it without the absolute value bars. We want to get 2.14, so we cannot use 1 minus pi without the absolute value bars. Instead, we reverse it and we make it pi minus 1. That becomes the correct answer. So that's writing the expression without absolute value bars that gives you the correct positive answer. In this case, we did not need to reverse it. In this case, we did need to reverse it. So what you're looking at in this lesson is recognizing when should you reverse the inside of the absolute value bar in order to get rid of the absolute value bars and when you rewrite it. Okay, so it's rewriting it, not giving the number. Remember, we're not looking for the actual number amount. We're looking for rewriting the expression. So in one case, you do not rewrite it. In one case, you do rewrite it because that's the only way that, or I should say that you rewrite it switching it, you reverse them because that gives you the correct positive answer. Thank you for listening.